just slipping something in for the contractors. Guys, go to these monster ramps that PJ's making. These monster ramps, you could run a full-size skid loader and you could run a mini up the same ramp. And they got spring assist. We just love it. And this beaver tail, you know, instead of a wood, I like how they did this. You know, it's the angle iron, you know, with the edge up. So that works. That works really nice. So just thought I'd share that with you. And by all means, guys, I'm telling you, if you're going to take this serious, you got to get yourself into the gooseneck stuff, because that bumper toe stuff, you can't move near the equipment or near the stone or near the dirt. So Scotty and I, you know, we've been pulling all kinds of trailers for a lot of years, and you know what? We like the PJ stuff, you know. Sure-trac is good. We're happy with that as well, but that's how Scotty and I, that's how we roll. So, you know, I hired Scott when he was 17 and now he's 45, and him and I are, you know, we got a lot of history. We definitely feel like we got these things figured out and streamlined. So when I make a suggestion to younger contractors, I'm telling you, you know, I'm speaking from experience. It's true worldly experience. And we've tried a lot of things, and we've got this to where it runs pretty smoothly. And again, guys, this is knife cut. It's not solid. I mean, it will appear like it's solid because you can't see the knife. They don't remove material when they make knife cut. You can just see where a blade cut that. I'll do a video and show you how that works. I'll put it in with this. Welcome to the French Drainman channel. I'm Robert Sherwood, and I just wanted to give you a demonstration on how knife cut works in our leach fields. This is the Baughman Tiles knife cut. This is a piece of 4-inch virgin material. This is the yellow on the inside, yellow on the outside. That means it's virgin material, no recycled materials. We love this material for its strength, its longevity, and for whatever reason, animals don't dig it up and chew on it like they do the recycled materials. I can't figure that out, why raccoons, skunks, you know, groundhogs, you name it, they just like to chew on that recycled material. So we love the virgin material, yellow on the inside, yellow on the outside. The reason why we use knife cut in our leach fields, we want the water to travel over a distance and the pipe just to sweat it out. So I did this demonstration so you could have an understanding of how we're making knife cut work in our leach fields. Depending on how poor the percolation is in the soil where we're doing the install, that dictates how many runs of knife cut we put in. Now, in the event that the soil just won't take in any more water, we run several knife cut, several runs, and they act as a reservoir. When it's sweating it out like this, the ground can usually keep up with it. All right, so we have a series how to build a leach field. So you can take your sump line to a leach field, or you can take your yard drain to a leach field. So I just wanted to show you how knife cut works, so as you watch the series, all the pieces fall into place for you. All right, guys, until the next video.